So when I woke up this morning, I did not have this plan to do at all. I had other plans really, but I'm a spontaneous person. I don't always plan like I should. So what I decided to do was make a thumb for my backhoe, and I got the thumb built. I'm like, well, I've wanted to tear down this building for a while now. It's falling down. It's full of junk. It's just really a home for the cats. Literally, cats go in there and sleep. And I'm not a fan of cats. So, well, not a fan of cats, occupying space they shouldn't. So I decided I'd just go ahead and tear it down and try the thumb out. Thumb worked pretty good. Need to weld a little bit more metal to it, make it a little bit more heftier. I'm using the Kubota L47, and so it's got pretty stout backhoe on it. So I've got just a Ford F-350 dump truck that my grandpa made. I call it a Frankenstein truck. He used parts from wherever he could find. There's GM parts on it. Anything he could use to make it run, and it runs pretty good. So I'm just going to put the building in that. Pair that to a burn hole that I have, or a bunch of limbs and whatnot. So really the only problem with my dump truck is that it's not big enough. It won't hold a whole lot. So I have to make more trips than I would like, and have to be more strategic and precise how I load stuff if I want it to stay, if I want it to hold a fair amount. One thing I really want to purchase, and I fully intend to, is a grapple bucket. Well, actually, I have a grapple bucket. I guess to be more specific, I need to purchase the front hydraulic kit. So Most Kubota L47s come with that. This one did not, which in hindsight, I wish I'd have made sure that it did. But I'm still going to do that anyways, because it makes jobs like this go a whole lot faster, and if not faster, at least a lot easier. Thumb's great, but for small debris like this, you need a grapple bucket. So here my cousin decides that there might be something in this building that she might want. And she spots a few things. There's some glassware, some dishes, and stuff like that, little trinkets, but it's nothing of really any value. To me, it's not worth my time to stop and pick it all out and do anything with it. And so she got a few things, but then my dad, he decided he'd come out here and help, and he was help, and he went there and picked out a few little things, and he pointed out a few things that I decided to keep too. There was a couple of coffee cups that I thought we needed, but it wasn't anything really important of any real value, but it was good to have a little extra help there. And it was about that time I realized that the one of the pins on my backhoe thumb broke, so I edited the part out. But I'd stopped and put another pin in So that's just one more thing I'm gonna have to reinforce. But I was so excited to use my thumb that, I didn't completely finish it like I should have. I tried my best to find a video editor app that would speed it up faster than 4 times. 4 times is the most I could find. I like for it to be sped up about 5 or 6, I guess. Because nobody really wants to sit here and watch, all this in slow motion. Or this in slow motion, but you want it to go faster than this. Or I do, anyways. That's just me. But if anybody has any suggestions about a faster video editing app, that'd be great. The good part's coming though, when I have it all finished, everything loaded up, and level it out, smooth it up. That is the final product, and that's my favorite part. The name of this song was Kicked Up Punk. And that just made me laugh, and I had to share that. This is really the first YouTube video that I've made, that I've edited and made and done any kind of voiceover, any kind of trimming or whatnot. So there's one other video that I had that was edited by my brother, and it's a video of the dump truck pulling down a house, which was really fun. And so that's, and I've still got him, and he's doing pretty good. But I am ready to upgrade to something, to really just a dump trailer is what I would like to have. Keep an eye out for one of those. One day soon I do plan to do a review for the Kubota L47 and just my opinion and my thoughts on the tractor. Overall, it's a good tractor, and but I'll save that for a later date. It does a pretty good job being a backhoe. I mean, Kubota, they knew what they were doing, and they made a well-made compact backhoe that's capable of being a tractor too. So here I am cutting off some roots and about to take the rake in, level some spots up. My next video that I'll probably make, there's a building on the other side of this carport. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna move that. It's a 10 by 20. Move that about 15-20 miles. So that'll be interesting to see. Also, I'm gonna move this carport to the same place. It's to my grandma's. It's her building, her carport. She wants it, and that's fine. And so I'm gonna try to move that the easiest way I possibly can with the least amount of effort. That's how I like to do things. So I'll probably take a video or take some pictures or something of me doing that.